Good morning, students. Today I am going to start a new chapter in science. So, chapter 11, Light, Shadow and Reflection. So, children, we see objects all day. From the time that we open our eyes in the morning to the time we sleep at night, we see the things around us. Okay, so we see objects all around. So, we observe their color, shapes, and sizes. So, in the daytime, the light of the sun is sufficient for us to see the objects around us clearly. Okay, so in the daytime, the light of the sun is sufficient, so it is easily to see the objects around us clearly. But in the evening, when the sun sets, it becomes dark. Okay, but in the evening, when the sun sets, it becomes dark and we can't see things easily. So, what do you do then? तो वी लाइट अ कैंडल और स्विच ऑन अ बल्ब और ट्यूब लाइट. ओके, तो हम क्या करते हैं? वी लाइट अ कैंडल और स्विच ऑन अ बल्ब और अ ट्यूब लाइट. सो व्हेन द लाइट फ्रॉम दीज सोर्सेज फॉल्स ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट एंड देन ट्रेवल्स टू अवर आईज, वी सी द ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, तो व्हेन द लाइट फ्रॉम दीज सोर्सेज, ठीक है, लाइक बल्ब, ट्यूब लाइट, तो व्हेन द लाइट फ्रॉम दीज सोर्सेज फॉल्स एन ऑब्जेक्ट, ठीक है, देन द लाइट इज रिफ्लेक्टेड टू अवर आईज and then we see the object. So light enable us to see object. Okay, so light enable us to see object. So we can therefore say the light is a form of invisible energy. Invisible का मतलब होता है जो दिखाई नहीं देती है. ठीक है, तो light क्या है? Light is a form of invisible energy. Okay, which gives us a sensation of sight, जो हमें एक sensation देती है देखने का. ठीक है, किससे हम देखते हैं? अपनी आईज से देखते हैं. Sources of light. Any object which emits light is called a source of light. तो source of light क्या है? An object which emits light. जो object light emit करते हैं, ठीक है, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Sources of light. So the sources of light can be grouped two categories: natural source of light, okay, and man-made artificial source of light. Okay, so natural source of light means those sources of light which occur in nature are called natural source of light. So natural source of light means sources of light which occur in nature. Okay, like sun, stars. Okay, ये क्या? Beside the sun, the stars, some living creatures like glowworm or firefly. Okay, jugnu, lantern. So they are the natural source of light. Okay, example: sun, moon, firefly. Okay, lantern, fishes, etc. Now man-made or artificial source of light. So those sources which have been made by man are called man-made source of light. So man-made source of light means sources which have been made by man. For example, candles, oil lamp, earthen lamps, lantern, gas lamps, electric bulb, fluorescent tube, torches. So they all are man-made or artificial source of light because these sources have been made by man. So children, they are the examples of artificial or man-made source of light like bulb, torch, candle, lantern, tube light. Okay. Now next is luminous and non-luminous bodies. So those objects which give out their own light are called luminous object. तो luminous object मतलब object which have their own light, जिनकी अपनी light होती है. Okay, so they are called luminous object. Example: sun, stars, candle, bulb. Okay, they all are luminous objects and they give out their own light. Then those objects which do not give out light on their own are called non-luminous object. So non-luminous object means objects which do not have their own light. Okay, and they become visible only when light falls on them. So non-luminous object means objects which do not have their own light. Okay, and they become visible only when light falls on them, like chair, car, tree, man. So they are non-luminous objects. They do not have their own light. Okay, and they become visible when light falls on them. जब light इन पे पड़ती है तभी हमको ये objects दिखाई देते हैं. Moon, Earth and other planets are also non-luminous body. Okay, Moon, Earth and the other planets, they are non-luminous bodies. Okay, examples. They shine only when sunlight is reflected from their surface. Okay, they shine only when sunlight is reflected from their surface. जब सन की लाइट इन पे पड़ती है, जैसे मून पे, मून क्या है आपका नॉन ल्यूमिनस ऑब्जेक्ट है, जब सन की लाइट मून पे पड़ती है तो मून की जो सरफेस है वो उस लाइट को रिफ्लेक्ट करता है और तब जाके हमको मून दिखाई देता है. ओके, तो मून, अर्थ एंड प्लैनेट्स, दे आर नॉन ल्यूमिनस बॉडीज. Okay, example man, moon, earth. Then hot and cold surface of light. Okay, hot and cold surface of light. The sun is the brightest and hottest source of light for us. जो sun है वो क्या है? The sun is the brightest, ठीक है, बहुत brightest और hottest source of light है. फायर ऑलवेज गिव्स आउट हीट. जो फायर होती है, आग होती है, वो हमेशा हमें क्या देती है? हीट. अ ग्लोइंग बल्ब इज हॉट. अ ग्लोइंग बल्ब इज हॉट. what if we go near the stars? So will we feel the heat? Yes, stars are also hot, but because they are very far from us, so we do not feel their heat. Okay, because the stars, they are very far from us. However, some sources of light are cold as well. Okay, example, a firefly, a tube light, a CFL, they are cold source of light. Okay, they are cold source of light. Or sun is the hot source of light. Then transparent, translucent and opaque object. So children, when light falls on a given object, the resulting effect is different for different object. Okay, so so they are classified into three groups: transparent object, translucent and opaque object. Okay, देखिए transparent objects like glass, pure water. So transparent object means those materials which allow the light to pass through them are called transparent materials. तो transparent materials means which allow the light to pass through them, जो अपने में से पूरी लाइट को पास होने देते हैं. ओके, like example, the materials like glass, cellophane sheet, window pane, glass tumbler, test tube and pure water, they are transparent object. So children, you have to learn the example of transparent, translucent and opaque object. Okay, we can see through such objects clearly. Okay, तो transparent object we can see through them such object clearly. इनसे हम पूरी तरीके से देख सकते हैं. Then translucent object. Translucent object means those objects which allow only some amount of light to pass through them, जो अपने में से केवल कुछ लाइट को पास होने देते हैं. They are called translucent object. Example, butter paper, oil paper, smoke glass, tissue paper, etc. Okay, they are translucent object and they allow only some amount of light to pass through them and we cannot see clearly through these objects. Okay, example, smoke glass, butter paper. So they are translucent object. Then opaque object. Opaque object means those materials which do not allow any light to pass through them are called opaque object. Opaque object क्या कहते हैं? They do not allow any light to pass through them. अपने में से कोई भी लाइट को पास नहीं होने देते हैं. And we cannot see anything through an opaque object. जैसे आपके एग्जाम्पल है वॉल, बुक, वुड. ठीक है, अगर आप वॉल के, जैसे आप इधर वॉल के इधर खड़े हो तो आपको वॉल के दूसरी तरफ का पोर्शन दिखाई देगा? नो. ठीक है, क्योंकि उस तरफ क्या हो रही है? लाइट नहीं जा रही है, उसमें से लाइट पास नहीं हो रही है. ठीक है, तो वी कैन नॉट सी एनीथिंग थ्रू एन ओपेक ऑब्जेक्ट. एग्जाम्पल, बुक, वॉल, कार्डबोर्ड शीट, वुड, etc. they all are opaque object. Okay children, so this much for today's class. Thank you.